Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Los Angeles English super listeners. Are you ready for some real life English? Welcome to my home. Today, you're invited to learn real daily life English, not the textbook stuff that doesn't help you in the real world, but real English, the kind you hear every day. I'm Sarah, and this is my channel, Los Angeles English, where I teach English with the kind of conversations that real English speakers use all the time. So, what am I doing here? Sitting on the floor of my living room surrounded by laundry? Well, I'm inviting you into my home for a simple everyday task. I'm folding laundry for my family, and I'm going to walk you through the process while using real-life English along the way. Let's get started. The laundry story. I have laundry from my youngest daughter, my middle son, my oldest son, myself, and my husband. And as you can imagine, folding for 5 people is no small task. I like to organize everything in chronological order, youngest to oldest. First, if a shirt is inside out, like this one, I have to turn it right side out. Isn't that a strange phrase, right side out? It makes sense, but it's definitely one of those quirky English expressions. Here's a college shirt of my husband's. Since shirts like this get hung up, I'll lay them flat and take them to the bedroom later to hang up. Here's another inside out shirt. So I just put my hand inside, flip it right side out, shake it out, and fold it. It's nothing magical, but it works. Now here's my daughter's tiny dress. So cute, right? Since dresses like these need to be hung, I'll fold them loosely here and then hang them up later. These are my son's sweat shorts. Super comfy. I fold those once, then lay them down. And here are my daughter's shorts, more of her dresses, and of course, some PJs. PJ talk. We call them PJs in our house, but you might also hear pajamas. For kids, some people even say jammies, but that's not something we use in our house. Why don't we? I'm not sure. Do you say jammies? Oh, here's something only parents might recognize. A sleep sack. It's a wearable blanket for babies. It's like a little cozy sack you zip them into because, for safety reasons, babies can't sleep with blankets. Now we have more of my daughter's clothes. Adorable corduroy pants that my lovely neighbor Michelle gave her, and some sweatpants that my oldest son lives in. He won't wear anything else. And a cute long sleeve shirt from Michelle too. Michelle loves picking up clothes for my kids, and you can meet her on my channel where we talk about gardening. Fun with clothes. Here's a fun t-shirt from my husband. It says, "It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure." Dad bod is a term that describes when men, usually in their 30s or 40s, have a bit of a belly. Nothing too fit, but still a solid figure. The shirt is poking fun at that idea by calling it a father figure, which also refers to someone who's like a father to you, someone you look up to. It's a fun shirt that I bought him for Father's Day. And then there's this tea towel. We use these in the kitchen to dry hands or dishes. Honestly, with kids running around, I need all the towels I can get because there's always some mess to clean up. More laundry. We've got more sweatpants, placemats, workout clothes, and socks. Socks are always a challenge. I usually leave them in a pile and sort them at the end. But first, a little confession. When it comes to laundry, I don't separate my clothes by color. No separate piles for lights and darks. I wash everything together except for towels, maybe a rug or delicates. How about you? Do you separate your laundry? I used to, but with 3 kids and a busy household, it's just easier this way. When we talk about laundry, we don't say making the laundry or having the laundry. We say doing the laundry. I need to do the laundry. And once I finish washing, drying, and folding, I get to the part where I put everything away. It's a lot of work, but it feels great to have it all done. Oh, and here's a fun item. Reusable, zippable bags. We use them for my kids' school lunches. These bags are perfect for sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. We have a ton of them and use them every day. It's a great way to keep things organized and avoid using disposable bags. And here we are, the last of the laundry. I'm folding socks, matching pairs, mismatched ones, and a few solo socks that just need to find their way to the drawer. As a parent, you know how it goes. Sometimes it's like the sock elves come and steal one, leaving you with a lonely sock. I try to teach my kids how to fold their own clothes. It's a process. Sometimes they help, sometimes they make a mess, but it's all part of teaching them responsibility. And there you have it. The laundry is folded, but of course, I still have to put everything away. It's a big job, but thank you for joining me for this real-life English task. I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me, and I hope you learned a lot of new vocabulary along the way. If you want to learn more, I've created a free PDF worksheet for you that covers all the words and phrases I used in this video, plus bonus sample sentences. To get the free worksheet, just click the link in the description, enter your name and email, and voila! You'll get the worksheet plus an audio download of this lesson so you can listen while you're doing your own laundry or just out and about. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson here on Los Angeles English. Bye for now.